Hi guys, Tyler with MarineMax. Today we're on this Boston Whaler 380 Outrage powered by triple Mercury 400 V10 Verado engines. As we make our way to the cockpit area, this boat's equipped with a summer kitchen with a sink and a Kenyon electric grill, as well as an insulated freezer box, fish box on the starboard side, generator, seakeeper, and a live well at the transom. At the bow area, underneath this lounger, you've also got access to a full garage storage area for things like coolers, buckets, or anything you can imagine. Also up front, you've got a JL audio remote, so you can control the sound system from anywhere on the boat. This boat does come equipped with the upgraded audio package. And you've also got access to your windlass anchor with a handheld remote and a fresh water to rinse off the anchor once you pull it in. We've got plenty of lounging space for family and friends to hang out after a long day offshore. As we make our way to the helm station, you've got a nice step-up pad for vertically challenged people like myself, where you've got great visibility of the bow and all the water in the horizon. At the helm, we've got a Mercury joystick piloting system, as well as a Lumar bow thruster with your twin Simrad MFD displays. Also at the helm area, you've got access to your cabin with a private head and shower. Once again, guys, my name is Tyler Morris with MarineMax Houston. If you're interested in this boat or one similar, give me a call and I'd be happy to help.